So this phone right here changed the way that I feel about mobile filmmaking because it's actually really good. So I just spent 7 days on a road trip with my friends on the Garden Route. It's a beautiful stretch of coastline at the bottom of South Africa that's become one of my favorite places to come back to. But this time I left all of my camera gear behind and just took this thing, the vivo X300 Ultra, and some accessories. No big cinema rig, no extra lenses in a backpack, just my friends and the phones in our pockets. We filmed in pretty much every kind of condition. Blazing sunlight, low light, underwater, fast action. And I came back seriously impressed with this thing. So at this stage of my career, I'm genuinely way more excited about using less gear. With a big cinema rig, there's always this moment of resistance where I have to ask myself, is it worth pulling out of my camera bag? But with a phone, it's always in my pocket, ready to go. And it allows me to capture so many more authentic moments because I'm always ready. These are my favorite kind of shoots. I feel the most inspired when I'm out in nature doing activities and around other talented creators. It was a lot of fun collaborating with my good friend Bryn North on this project. So the reason this phone felt like such a big upgrade for me is because Vivo decided to put all these professional features in natively. Manual shutter, ISO control, 10-bit log, 4K at up to 120 frames per second, and no extra apps needed. And the custom accessories are what take it to another level. A case that lets you screw ND filters straight on so you can keep that perfect 180-degree shutter, a Vivo phone video cage for balance and mounting, and these two telephoto lenses that fit right into my pocket. These lenses let us film penguins and other wildlife up close without disturbing them. And the compression and bokeh are really good. I've always loved filming wildlife because you never really know what you're going to capture. You just wait and watch nature do its thing. For the underwater segment, we shot at 4K 120 frames per second. Beautiful slow motion, and it held up incredibly well in low light. The autofocus is also really good. I was worried it might struggle underwater, but it performed just as good as above the water. We also mounted the phone creatively like an action camera. Because it's so small and light, we got shots that wouldn't have worked with a big rig, including this paddle-mounted shot while I was kayaking.
That should work. That should look pretty cool.
Kayaking down that river was one of my favorite moments of the entire trip.
Looking good.
We found this perfect cliff jump spot. It had been a long time since I've jumped like that, and that rush brought the kids straight back out of me.
Yeah!
This trip was planned as a road trip with friends first, not some big production. We just wanted to experience this part of the world that we love, and the phones came along to capture. Shooting on this phone made me feel more in the environment rather than behind the camera. I noticed everyone relaxed more because it's just the phone. It fades into the background. No intimidation, no performance energy, just real moments between friends. So this phone is making it clear to me that the line between professional cinema cameras and smartphones is disappearing, and that's really exciting for me. If you want to check out the full film, it's linked right here. Enjoy.